Hey.
So Franklin, aka the King of Trainers, welcome, man.
Yeah,
Welcome
thank
to
you.
my Car Life Stories.
Thank you. I feel privileged to be here.
Oh, look, the privilege is all mine.
Good.
So we're going to do a What's in the Box, my Car Life Story special, right?
Yes, this is the first time I've ever done this. It's a what's, yeah, a what's in a box in the car. Let's go. Okay. Plastic box. I don't know. Can you guys see it? Can you guys see it? Okay, let me open it up. Okay. The FA Cup Icon Series Limited Edition Air Force Ones Nike T-shirt and artworks inspired by the Emirates FA Cup trophy. Okay, this is dope. Okay, so we've got Icon Series customized Nike Air Force Ones Cup Collective. Rebecca Judd and Poet. Shout out Rebecca Judd and Poet.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Okay, so I have the Rebecca Judd Air Force One Customs exclusives.
Wow.
Okay, let's open it up. Okay, there you go, guys.
They're the right summer colours, right?
Yes, it is. Look at the sky blue. You got the silver. You got the yellow on the side, the mustard yellow. Let's check out that one as well. So yeah, so here they are. These are dope. Yeah. Very nice. Well done, Rebecca Judd and Poet. You know, I ain't got Poet's pair, but I got Rebecca's pair. I'm very grateful. Let me have a look at the T-shirt as well. Cool. So this is another exclusive Emirates trophy inspired T-shirt. So much to Mischief PR and the FA for these dope trainers, and shout out Rebecca and Poet. Thank you.
Bravo. Well, that's the first. Maybe there will be a second What's in the Box, my Car Life Story.
Yeah, there might have to be.
Yeah.
By this time, I'll get you a pair. Yeah, I'll get you a pair.
Well, high five to that.
Cool.